The line wash painting, the texture wall painting. I'm not so talented to paint the monkey. Yeah. So my name is Jeannie. I'm a compliance officer in an insurance company. So my house is a 5-room unit in the Punggol area. We want the place to be very near to an MRT station, and of course it has to be near to my parents' place. When you enter into the living room, the main feature that you will see is the fluted panel feature wall and the island combined with a dining table. The rest of the living area are generally loose furnitures, so we try to keep this whole area as simple as possible so that it looks spacious. After the living room, I have my kitchen, 3 rooms, 2 guest rooms and 1 master bedroom, and of course that's the place where most of the time we spend our days there. Yeah. I'm looking for a modern contemporary feel to my house because it gives a very relaxed, and the color theme is more of a neutral palette where it has colors like black, white, and then wood tone, and of course some beige. It gives people a very calming feel, I thought. Yeah. So you can see that some of the deco pieces are towards the more modern design. My favorite area in the house is the built-in island and the dining area because it's the place where I can eat and I can do my work. It's a very breezy area because it's just right beside the balcony. I can feel the breeze and all coming from outside my house, and I have my fluted panel wall feature. I think it really brings out the whole area in terms of the living room. And because it is the first thing that you walk into when you come to my place, and I would want it to be something that people notice as well when they enter my house. I feel a home has to be a place where I can put away all the stress, all my worries behind, and truly come back to a place that I feel safe and I can be myself.